George Bernard Shaw. As a dramatist, George Bernard Shaw was a celebrated Irish dramatist, playwright, and critic, renowned for his influential and iconic works that continue to captivate audiences worldwide. As a dramatist, Shaw made significant contributions to the world of theatre, leaving an indelible mark on the literary landscape. Shaw's plays are distinguished by their witty dialogue and clever repartee. Strong, independent female characters. Exploration of social issues, such as feminism, socialism, and individualism. Use of satire to critique societal norms. Well-crafted, complex characters and storylines. Timeless themes and universal appeal. Masterful use of language and dialogue. Insightful commentary on human nature and society. Let's discuss above in details and make an attempt to show greatness of G.B. Shaw. 1. Witty dialogue and clever repartee. Shaw's plays are known for their quick-witted dialogue and clever repartee, which adds to their humor and charm. In his Pali Pygmalion, I can think of no other edifice constructed by man as altruistic as a bridge. Though strong, independent female characters. Shaw's plays often feature strong, independent female characters who drive the plot and challenge societal norms. She is the door, and he is the knock. She is the answer, and he is the question. Candida, Act 8. Teen exploration of social issues. Shaw's plays often explore social issues such as feminism, socialism, and individualism, encouraging audiences to think critically about the world around them. The great secret of life is that there is no secret. We are all in the same boat, and we must learn to navigate it together. Pygmalion, Act 2. 4. Use of satire to critique societal norms. Shaw uses satire to critique societal norms and conventions, often using humor and irony to make pointed commentary. The reasonable man adapts himself to the world, and the unreasonable one persists in trying to adapt the world to himself. Therefore, all progress depends on the unreasonable man. Man and Superman, Act 8. 5. Well-crafted, complex characters and storylines. Shaw's plays feature well-crafted, complex characters and storylines that keep audiences engaged and invested. I am a man of action, not a man of words. But when I am compelled to speak, I speak the truth. Arms and the Man, Act 2. 6. Timeless themes and universal appeal. Shaw's plays deal with timeless themes and have universal appeal, making them relevant even today. Example, there are no secrets better kept than the secrets that everybody guesses. Major Barbara, Act 2. 7. Masterful use of language and dialogue. Shaw's plays showcase his masterful use of language and dialogue, which adds to their wit, charm, and emotional impact. Language is the blood of the soul into which thoughts run and out of which they grow. Pygmalion, Act 8. 8. Insightful commentary on human nature and society. Shaw's plays offer insightful commentary on human nature and society, encouraging audiences to think critically about themselves and the world around them. The only way to get rid of temptation is to yield to it. Man and Superman, Act 8. In conclusion, Shaw's plays are a testament to his genius, offering a unique blend of wit, satire, and social commentary that continues to captivate audiences. Through his works, Shaw challenges societal norms, empowers women, and explores complex human relationships, cementing his place as one of the greatest playwrights of all time.